Welcome back to Inspire Ignite, where we bring you the latest strategies to ignite your success. Today we're going to dive into AI affiliate marketing strategies that can help you earn over $220 per day on Google search in 2024. We'll explore the easiest business model for AI affiliate marketing and share some game-changing insights for success in this field. So around, because we've got some game-changing insights coming your way. Before we delve deeper into how exactly AI is transforming the world of affiliate marketing, let's take a brief look at what AI really is. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a sophisticated technology that allows machines to imitate human intelligence. It's the driving force behind many of the cutting-edge innovations we see today, from self-driving cars to voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. In the context of affiliate marketing, AI has become a powerful tool that's helping marketers to automate tasks, analyze data, and make more informed decisions. It's making the entire process more efficient and profitable. Whether it's predicting customer behavior, personalizing content, or optimizing ad campaigns, AI is helping affiliate marketers to get more done in less time and with fewer resources. And the best part? You don't have to be an AI expert to leverage its power. With the right strategies and tools, anyone can use AI to supercharge their affiliate marketing efforts. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to success in AI affiliate marketing and share inspiring stories of people who have made a killing with this revolutionary technology. Did you know that AI-powered affiliate marketing is revolutionizing the way businesses earn passive income online? It's an exciting time in the digital world, and the rules of the game are changing rapidly. AI is not just a buzzword anymore, it's a reality that's transforming every aspect of our lives, including how we do business. In the realm of affiliate marketing, AI is a game changer. It's enabling businesses to automate processes, personalize customer experiences, and drive revenue like never before. With AI, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're staying ahead of the curve. The potential of AI affiliate marketing is staggering. It's a booming industry, set to redefine the way businesses operate online. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to get in on the action. So if you're wondering whether AI affiliate marketing is too good to be true, well, think again. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. The world of online entrepreneurship is brimming with possibilities, but it's also fraught with challenges. It's a space where dreams of financial independence and flexible schedules meet the harsh realities of time-consuming tasks, steep learning curves, and hefty upfront investments. You've probably found yourself navigating this tricky terrain, searching for a profitable online business model that doesn't demand every waking hour or drain your savings. Maybe you've tried your hand at various ventures, only to find them more demanding than a traditional 9-to-5 job, or perhaps you've been deterred by the risks and complexities of starting from scratch. It's a common predicament, and it begs the question that's likely on your mind: is there really a solution out there that can help me break free from the 9-to-5 grind? Enter AI affiliate marketing, the ultimate solution for anyone looking to build a sustainable online income stream. But what exactly is AI affiliate marketing, and how does it work? Well, it's a simple yet powerful concept. As an AI affiliate marketer, you'll be promoting products or services of other companies. When someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you get a commission. It's as straightforward as that. But here's where the magic of artificial intelligence comes in. With AI, you can automate the process of finding the right products and the right audience. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify profitable niches, trending products, and potential customers. This means you can focus more on creating great content and less on the technical side of things, and the benefits don't stop there. Remember the problems we mentioned earlier? High investment costs, time-consuming tasks, and the struggle to break away from the 9-to-5 grind. AI affiliate marketing tackles them head-on. You don't need a hefty budget to start your AI affiliate marketing journey. Most AI tools are affordable, and some even offer free trials. And because most of the heavy lifting is handled by AI, you can run your business in your spare time without quitting your day job. But what about the competition, you might ask? Well, that's another area where AI shines. AI tools can help you stay ahead of the curve by constantly updating you on market trends and competitor strategies. They can even optimize your content for SEO, ensuring that your affiliate links get maximum visibility on Google search. And let's not forget about scalability. As your business grows, you can use AI to manage multiple affiliate programs, track your performance, and identify areas for improvement. This way, you can continuously refine your strategies and increase your earnings. So, to sum it up, AI affiliate marketing is a game changer. It simplifies the process of starting and running an online business, reduces the barriers to entry, and offers a high potential for income. With advancements in artificial intelligence, it's now easier than ever to leverage cutting-edge technology to drive traffic, generate leads, and earn commissions on autopilot. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some real people who have transformed their lives with AI affiliate marketing. Meet Carlos, a former retail clerk turned online entrepreneur. He ventured into AI affiliate marketing just over a year ago. Today, he's making well over $220 a day. He says, AI affiliate marketing has genuinely revolutionized my life. It was a bit of a learning curve at first, but once I got the hang of it, the results were astounding. Then there's Sarah, a single mom who was looking for a flexible way to earn an income. She took the plunge into AI affiliate marketing, and within 6 months, she was earning enough to comfortably support her family. In her own words, I was skeptical at first, but once I saw my first commission, I was hooked. It's been a game changer for me and my family. We also have Raj, a recent college graduate. He was struggling to find a job in his field, so he decided to try his hand at AI affiliate marketing. Today, he's not just making a comfortable living, he's also repaying his student loans ahead of schedule. He shares, I never imagined I could earn this much right out of college. AI affiliate marketing has truly opened up a world of opportunities for me. And these are just a few examples. There are countless others out there who have leveraged the power of AI to make a successful business out of affiliate marketing. They're not any different from you or me. They just took the leap, put in the work, and reaped the rewards. So if you're sitting there thinking this isn't possible for you, think again. These are real people who have made a successful business out of AI affiliate marketing. They all started where you are now, but they took the first step. They dared to dream, and they made it happen. And so can you. Ready to take the plunge into the world of AI affiliate marketing? Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Research profitable niches and products. It's all about finding the right niche that aligns with your passion and has a high demand in the market. Once you've identified the niche, the next step is to find the products or services that you can promote as an affiliate. Use AI-powered tools to analyze market trends and identify profitable products. Step 2, sign up for affiliate programs with AI-driven platforms. There are several AI-driven affiliate platforms that you can join. These platforms use advanced AI algorithms to match the right products with the right affiliates, ensuring maximum profitability. Step 3, create valuable content and optimize it for search engines. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media posts, you need to create content that provides value to your audience and drives them to click on your affiliate links. Use AI-powered SEO tools to optimize your content and ensure it ranks high on Google search results. Step 4, monitor your progress and tweak your strategies. Use AI-powered analytics tools to track your performance. These tools provide insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to tweak your strategies for better results. And finally, step 5, scale up your efforts and watch the commissions roll in. Once you start seeing some success, don't rest on your laurels. Instead, scale up your efforts. Invest more time and resources into creating more content, promoting more products, and reaching a larger audience. The more effort you put in, the higher your commissions will be. Remember, success in AI affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right strategies and tools, you can create a profitable online business that generates a steady stream of passive income. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the exciting world of AI affiliate marketing and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Scale up your efforts and watch the commissions roll in. And there you have it. The easiest AI business to make over $220 per day on Google search in 2024. This is not just a passing trend, but a transformative shift in the way we do business online. AI affiliate marketing is the future, and it's happening right now. It's time to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the opportunities that this innovative business model presents. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Your first step is to research profitable niches and products and sign up for affiliate programs with AI-driven platforms. Creating valuable content and optimizing it for search engines might seem challenging at first, but with consistency and dedication, you'll soon master the art. And the best part? As you scale your efforts, you'll see your commissions increase, paving the way for a sustainable online income stream. Don't let this golden opportunity pass you by. The potential to earn a significant income with AI affiliate marketing is real and within your reach. It's time to leverage the power of artificial intelligence and transform your financial future. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Here at Inspire Ignite, we're committed to providing you with the insights and strategies you need to succeed. So let's embark on this exciting journey together and create a future that's not only profitable but also fulfilling. Until next time, stay inspired and keep igniting your success.